Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sugarplum box. Yes, I haven't done one in a while because the beauty about this box, it's a Jamaican box. The beauty about it is you can actually get one box and you don't have to get the other box if it is that you don't feel like it. You can get the boxes as they come. Love it. It's not a full-on one-time subscription and you get every box that comes out, even though she actually has the option for that. You can do it for 3 months, you can do it for a year, and you can do it on a monthly or whatever it is that she does it basis. So this is the box. Very nice box. If it is that you've been following me for long and you saw the other unboxing, it is much bigger than the box that I had gotten from before. I like this. This is a really cool design. It's simple but very colorful. Love it. Alright, so this box is in collaboration with the Gleaner Flair magazine. If you're not aware of it, if you're not a Jamaican or you don't live here, it's a magazine that comes in the Gleaner or Daily newspaper that gives us lifestyle news and tips, beauty, everything that you can think of in terms of just the basic lifestyle needs and such. That is what comes in that paper. So it's really cool. I love that paper. It's what I actually buy the Gleaner for on a daily basis, on every Monday. So this is inside the box. Yeah, it's packed. And this is what's on the cover. So before you ask, yes, this look will be up on YouTube soon, maybe sooner than you think, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's get to the items in the box. I got a magazine, you know, like the other subscription boxes overseas that gives you the little pamphlets in the middle to let you know what is in the box. Well, Sugarplum did it this time. They actually have a little magazine in it to tell you what's inside. So this is the magazine. This is very cool. I love it. I love this picture. Love this picture. I always like that black and white stuff. So it actually gives you details about the box and the items in the box. So it's really nice. This is one of the brands that's in there. It actually gives you tips as to what to do in terms of the tea, because there's a tea in here as well. Places you can visit. This is about each item in the box. Another tip again, what you can do with one of the items in the box, you can actually make a mini cheesecake, and again, more information. So to start, I got some Jergens moisturizer for wet skin. This is the sample size, or yeah, the sample size. This is manure oil, and this is the coconut oil one. Yeah, this is very nice. I've never tried this before. Yeah, I've definitely never tried this before. I've actually seen it advertised, I've seen it on television all over, but I've never actually tried it. But I have used the Jergens. Well, that's the brand Jergens, and I have used Jergens. This lotion is something that I use very often, but I've never tried the wet skin one. Yes, I got 2 travel size ones, the regular lotion and the wet skin one. So I also got some pore cleansing strips. This is the trial and travel pack size from Biore. 2 came in this, and there are 2 extra ones that we actually got. Very cool. I'm very happy and excited about these. I really do like pore strips. I like masks. I like such things like those. I love. So it's very cool, and I'm very excited to try this. Well, to use this one. I've used it before, so which is why I'm very happy to get this one now. So the other item I got is this weapons of mass beauty slication. So this is a what's it called? This is the organic coffee oil serum, which is a brew of Blue Mountain coffee, grapeseed, coconut and rose hip oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera gel, unicorn tears. So this is actually what you would use. This is the instrument you use with it, to rub it on and into your skin to make it feel really smooth and nice. I've never used it before. This is why I'm kind of baffling or mumbling in terms of how it's used, but I'm pretty sure that is what it's used for, to rub the product into your skin. So this should be cool. I've never done this before, tried it before, so I'm pretty excited about this one as well. The other item I got was Yum by Sugarplum Cafe Rosa Pink Clay Mask. Like I said earlier, I love masks. So this is just really up my alley. I'm excited to try this. Well, everything in the box I'm excited to try. I'm gonna say that overall one time so I don't keep saying it. So this is a mask that can be used to it's a detox mask, right? Yeah, it's a detox mask. So once you put it on your skin, it will help with the cleansing. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It smells earthy, not stink, not bad, but it smells like earth because it's a clay mask. So it's really, really nice. So the next thing I got was this candle. This was made in Jamaica as well. This was also made in Jamaica. So this candle is a hand poured soy wax candle, and it smells like coffee, like coffee beans. It's really nice. Ngozi Sweet Blessings, I think that's the brand of it. I will leave all the information for all these products in the description box below. Trust me, I don't want to be butchering names of these things if I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But this candle is really nice. If you don't know already, I love candles. I have a lot of Bath and Body candles around the house because I love them. I love smells like coffee and baked products. Not sweet, but something smells like fresh bakery. I love those scents. So every candle I have actually smells that way, and even lotions as well. So this is definitely something nice and up my alley in terms of it smelling like coffee. Really nice. Love this. Now in addition to all those, I got this one called Spongella Beach Grass. No, the brand is Spongella Beach Grass. It's a cleanse, exfoliate, massage, nourish with extracts of yuzu. Can't pronounce it. But it's a sponge. It is a sponge that can be used, well, it is used to, you know, massage your skin and whatever it is, and like it said, to exfoliate and cleanse. So this is the sponge. This is a real pamper kind of box. I like it. I like it a lot. Now the other item I got was the Kendall Gold Infusions Premium Selection Peppermint. Now this is the peppermint tea. I drink peppermint tea not every day. I drink it when I need to. You know those moments when you're really having a bad headache or you just really want to calm and cool? That's what I drink. That's when I drink peppermint tea, which is not all the time, but I do drink it. So it should be cool to go ahead. I have my own personal packs of tea. I can take it to work. So whatever it is that I need it, I'll just draw for it. And last and certain, no, that's not last. The other item I got, which was in the book, it came as a surprise actually to me because I didn't see it before. It's a gift voucher from Arm Candy here in Jamaica. They make bracelets and such, and this is a $1,000 gift card from them. Thank you so much. This is very cool. I've never gotten a bracelet from them before, but because of this, in addition to this, I'm definitely going to be trying. But I've seen their stuff before and they're really nice. Now certainly and definitely not last but not least, this is a beach shawl. Yeah, what you can wear over your swimsuit whilst on the beach or whatever it is. And I am ecstatic to get this. I didn't expect it, I should say. I didn't expect this one in the box. So it's very, very nice. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. And there's something written on the back. This is very cool. This was definitely unexpected. I didn't expect to see this in the box at all. So thank you so much, Sugarplum. I appreciate this. I'm pretty sure like everyone else, we appreciate it big time. It's always cool looking forward to these boxes because trust me, if you're following her page, you should know when she sends out these emails, you're thinking that you're going to be getting the world in this one box. You see how big the box is, and it's still small in comparison to the things that she builds you up for, and I love it. I love the excitement. I love the adrenaline that comes from her. She's very pumped. Very pumped. So I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you need more information on the Sugarplum box, the Jamaican subscription box, I'll leave it down below in the description bar. And trust me, you will not regret checking it out or even wanting to think about getting it or being subscribed to them. Very good box. You won't be disappointed, trust me. And there's another box coming up. pretty soon after this one is actually going on now. So go ahead and check out the page and you'll see it. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys.